Welcome back to this video. Okay, so today we're gonna act about the Nat Geo out. So okay, I got this. I got a box. Inside is nothing. Slime inside. Okay, slime. Wow. Cool. Okay, so let's handle with this first. See, look. Okay, this one. See, look. This is the neck. I don't know how it's a neck because this is plastic. See, look. Whenever. Slow. Oh, yeah. And my heart smashed.
Oh, when you go today we go somewhere, right? Then you go there, we got the toys. Do you like Smashers?
Yeah.
Then got a lot of Smashers.
Where?
In the Keith, we go there, got a lot of Smashers.
Oh yeah, I know. Okay, now this is gonna be awesome type. This is plain slime, but see, look. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Okay, then. You know, this is like a very cool slime. This is called neck slime. It's kind of hard to break it into 2 pieces. Hey sister, come here! How do you break it?
Okay, I try.
Okay, here.
Okay, sir.
Now we're gonna smash it to each other. That's what we always do.
Yeah, that's what we always do.
Get ready, set, go! Give me back the slime.
Whoa. This is like a robot. Can I see?
Okay, but anyway,
Stop, it's very hard.
sister.
Yeah. I want to see.
Don't move. Okay, thanks. This is how I tear a slime and make a bracelet. Ah!
Wait, Coco, wait. Can I show you how to make a bracelet? So, okay, I'll show you. Okay, see?
Sit down.
Oh my gosh. How do I make? Hey, wait, give me.
No, make it a long bracelet.
Yeah, super long.
Okay, that's good.
Okay. Now wear it on. No, wait. Okay, yeah. Now wear it home. We do it again, Coco. We do it again. Oh my. Ah!
Pass me back all my slime.
Okay. Oh my God.
Pass me back.
So.
Okay, so we just finished the video. Anyway, bye. 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 And bye. Before that, subscribe below. Subscribe below. Before that, subscribe below. Yeah, subscribe. Bye.